So I made a video yesterday and I posted it about the importance of about what's important in life, really. And a small discussion started. So was it Ananya? Ananya, I hope I pronounced it well. And there was a discussion about being nice. And I pointed out that it's not necessarily a good idea to be nice all the time. And here's why. Now, I'm not saying that you shouldn't be nice, because yeah, of course, it helps if we are nice, it makes life more pleasant for us and other people. But there are situations when we should not really be nice. And also it's not really possible to be nice all the time. So I'll give you an example. If you have a situation when, let's say, there is a fire in the building and you need to evacuate the building. So you go around and tell people that there's a fire, you need to get out of the building, yeah? But if you said, excuse me, I hope I don't interrupt, but there is a fire in the building, would you be okay, to move out of the building as soon as you can? That would be a bit weird and also ineffective, because people would be thinking that you're joking, yeah? So you really need to be like, guys, move out now. There's a fire. Get out of the building, yeah? Or if you have a deadline, you're a project manager and you have a team and you need to, push them quicker. You cannot be nice, you need to, be on them. And there is nothing wrong with it, as long as you are polite at the same time, and inspiring people. You can be a bit not nice or rude even, but at the same time within the limits, the social borders, the social norms, and everybody will be happy and you will achieve the results. And nobody will think that you're not nice, because they will know it's a normal thing that you are under pressure, let's say. There is no such a thing as under pressure, but let's say there is. They will think so and they will be happy to comply and there won't be any complaints. Now, on the other side, if you strive to be nice all the time, you will fail, because we have all sorts of personalities. We have the nice side and the mean side, and we really need to be okay with that. Okay? Now, of course, it's good to observe yourself when you do something nice, what were the results, and if you are mean, what are the results, and notice that when you're nice, it's good, feels good, but there are some negative consequences sometimes that we are not even aware of. And at the same time, if we are mean, there are some positive consequences that we are not aware of. But if we look for them, we will find them. And then we will understand that there is always a good balance between, good and evil and, hot and cold and everything. That's the nature of the world. And Dr. John DeMartini, he's a great teacher of those things, of the imbalanced perspective. So listen to him, read his books. You will understand more how important it is to embrace all sides of our personality, the good, the bad, the nasty, the nice, and use them as tools, because they all have a purpose. They all make us, they are just useful tools. And the more you observe yourself and other people, the more you will realize that these are just tools, okay? And like a knife, you can use it to, to do something good, or you can use it to do some harm. So use those tools carefully, because you can be nice and hurt someone, and you can be mean and actually help someone a lot. Like if you're looking after a child and the child misbehaves, you sometimes need to be mean to protect the child, because if the child is not careful, it might, run into the street and be hit by a car. So, you being nice to the child will result in the child being hurt or killed. So you need to be really careful about how you use those tools, okay? Is that cool? I hope that helps you a lot. Now, let me know if you can think of examples when you were nice and now you think it wasn't a good strategy, and examples when you were mean and you felt guilty about it, but now you can see that actually there was a benefit to you and other people around you, or other people affected by you being mean. So really, let's discuss those things, okay? Let's have a nice, proper discussion. And guys, again, thanks for watching. Thanks for all the comments. You're amazing and awesome. So I really feel like I need to make more videos now, okay? I will focus now more on the content rather than the branding, because maybe that's what was stopping me a lot from making more videos. I will probably use my mobile phone more. I have a better mobile phone, so the quality will be better as well, because I love quality. And that stops me as well sometimes from recording, because I cannot provide good quality. well, I'm a perfectionist, so to say. I'm a tech guy. I'm a technology freak a little bit, you know, so sorry for that. Again, me being, you know, well, that shows you, that's an example of how something that's theoretically good is really bad, because I'm good at technology and I care about quality, but at the same time, it affects my productivity, you know, and you don't get videos, and really the videos are more important than the quality of those videos, right? Yeah, so that's another example of, you know, good and evil, nice and mean, you know, kind of playing certain roles and not really being what they seem to be. And you know what I mean, yeah? Okay, thanks a lot. Take care.